This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the camera app and selecting Cinematic. You want that mode active now. Tap the subject on screen to establish your initial focus point, and if your scene is static, lock exposure and focus so it doesn't shift. Choose between 1x or 2x to frame tighter or wider. Make sure you hold the phone steady or use a small tripod. Once done, confirm audio levels and gesture to subjects so they know when recording starts. Now you refine focus, transitions, and exposure to craft the cinematic look. Tap different subjects during recording to rack focus. You'll see the smooth shift and a subtle depth effect. Slide the exposure control to brighten or darken. Make sure highlights don't clip by watching the preview. If available, tweak depth or portrait lighting to enhance subject separation and background blur. Once you balance focus and exposure, rehearse the move so transitions feel intentional and natural. Finish by reviewing your clip in photos and trimming excess at the start and end to tighten pacing. Export using H.264 or HEVC depending on your workflow, and verify you have enough storage before long takes. If the focus unexpectedly jumps, stop recording, relock AE/AF, and retest. A quick camera app restart often fixes persistent glitches. Finally, back up the original file. This preserves depth data if you want to regrade or change focus later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.